friends, yummy and spicy mirchi vadas are all-time favorite snacks. Its awesome combination with green chili coriander chutney and sweet chutney is mouth-watering. So I hope that you all definitely like this recipe and will try to make it. So see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Welcome back to my channel. So my today's recipe is stuffed green chilies or mirchi vada. So before starting with the recipe, I would like to request you all to please watch the full video, and in case if you like, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel. For detailed written recipe and ingredients with their measurement, please visit the description box below. So friends, as it's clear from the word mirchi vadas, the main ingredient of this recipe will be mirchi, that is bigger sized green chilies. And for stuffing, of course, the potatoes will be the main ingredient. Then for batter, besan will be the main ingredient, and of course oil for deep frying. Later on in my recipe, I will keep on telling you about other spices and other ingredients. So keep watching. So the first stage of mirchi vada preparation will of course be washing the chilies and then slitting from the center. So for that, take a knife and just slit the chili from the center. Don't touch the bottom. Then use the back side of spoon to remove seeds and pulp. For all the chilies, you need to repeat the same process. We are removing the seeds from inside because we don't want our mirchi vada to be extremely hot. So we can use these pulp and seeds in making any other curry or gravies. So here you can see that I have removed pulp and seeds from all the chilies, and now these chilies are ready for stuffing. The second stage will be making batter for mirchi vadas. For that, the ingredients will be besan, turmeric powder, red chili powder, coriander powder, hing, salt to taste, baking soda, and of course enough water to make the batter. So to start with the process of making batter, you need to add all these ingredients in a mixing bowl and just mix them well. So friends, as you can see here that I have mixed together all the dry ingredients. So now it's the time to add water and make the smooth batter. So while making batter, you need to keep one point in your mind, that you don't have to add too much water at one point of time only. Just keep adding little water and keep mixing your batter, because we don't want any lumps inside our batter and we want it to be very smooth. As you can see here that our batter has reached the right coating consistency. It's neither too flowing nor too thick. Now just cover your batter and allow it to rest for around 20 minutes. Meanwhile, we can prepare our aloo stuffing. So for making our aloo stuffing, the key ingredients will be boiled potatoes, green coriander leaves, ginger garlic paste, turmeric powder, red chili powder, coriander powder, fennel seeds powder, garam masala powder, chaat masala, amchur powder, black pepper powder, cumin powder, and of course salt to taste. So just transfer all these ingredients in a mixing bowl and combine them using your hands. Don't add any water in making our stuffing. So friends, as you can see here that our yummy potato stuffing is ready. So of course our third stage will be stuffing our chilies. So for stuffing the chilies, just take a chili, stretch it from the center, fill it with aloo stuffing and press the stuffing properly so that it doesn't come out. So once the chilies are stuffed, now there is one tip. You need to roll them over dry besan flour. This will ensure proper coating of our besan batter. But it's an optional step. You can directly dip these chilies in the besan batter. So as you can see here, I have rolled all the chilies over dry besan flour and now it's the time to dip them inside our besan batter. So for that, just check the besan batter which is already rested for around 20 minutes. If it is very thick, then do add some water and mix it again. So as you can see that our besan batter is perfect. So now it's the time to pour our chilies inside this batter and then deep fry these chilies. So before pouring the chili inside our batter, just make sure that enough oil is heated in a kadhai, and once your oil is heated well, then only pour the chili inside the batter and wait for the extra batter to drop off. Then dip the chili directly over the heated oil. So once few chilies are dipped in the hot oil, now you have to fry them in the medium flame till they are crisp and golden. Just keep flipping in between so that these are well fried from all the sides. So after few minutes of frying them over medium flame, now you can see that our chilies have become nice golden and crisp. So it's the time to take them out from the oil, and likewise you need to fry other chilies too. So friends, as you can see here, our yummy and mouth-watering mirchi vadas are ready. Just serve them with spicy green chili and coriander chutney and enjoy them as a tea time snack. Friends, you can also make yummy aloo bondas using same aloo stuffing and batter. And for the recipe of yummy chili coriander chutney, please visit the description box below. So I'm sure that you all definitely liked my recipe and will try to make it. Do share your feedback and experience in my comment section below. See you in my next video. Till then, take care and thanks for watching.